everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name's Michelle, and on my channel I post videos about luxury planning and travel. So if those are some things that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel down below and also hitting that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos every single week. So in today's video, I actually have my very first Cartier unboxing, and this is actually a special gift from Joseph. We just celebrated our 15th anniversary together, and yes, we are high school sweethearts. So this was a really nice gift from him. This is my very first Cartier piece, and honestly, I'm just so in love with just the details, from the shopping bag to the receipt, the cleaning solution, and then the box itself. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into what's inside of this bag. So of course it did come with the receipt. After that, we do have the cleaning solution. Like, look at how nice this cleaning solution is. Here is the box that it came with, and it slides out, and it comes with a cloth, a brush, the solution, and an instruction booklet. And of course, what else is left in the bag is the actual Cartier piece itself. So I just love how they package this. It comes in this white wrapping paper, and then they have this wax seal on the box. But yeah, let's stop admiring the box and let's go ahead and open up the actual piece. Okay, and so here is the box itself, and here is the actual piece. And so this opens up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take out this box. Are you guys ready? So here it is. Dun, 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 dun. It's the Cartier Love Ring in yellow gold, and honestly, I am just so in love with this piece. It's so simple, very timeless, very classic, elegant, everything, and so I am absolutely in love with this piece. Right now it does retail for $17.20 USD, and it's made of 18 karat yellow gold, and I did get the one that is in the width 5.5, so the Love Ring. There is another band that is similar to this, but it's a little bit thinner. It's the Love Wedding band, and so I did decide to go with the thicker band because I am going to be wearing it on my right hand, on my ring finger. So I did decide to get the larger one versus the thinner one. And so I'm actually going to go ahead and put it on. And so I got it to fit my ring finger right over here. And so this is my current wrist stack. So I do have my engagement ring right over here, and then I have my Apple Watch and a Louis Vuitton fashion jewelry. This one is the confidential bracelet, and I usually just pair it with my Apple Watch. And then over here, very simple, I'm planning on adding a little bit more to my collection, but yeah, I do have the Love Ring right over here. It's going to be on my ring finger, and I absolutely love it. So a part of me was thinking maybe if I wanted to get a larger size, just because right now this ring only fits my ring finger, and if I wanted to go ahead and interchange it between my other fingers, I literally can't, because it only really fits this finger and also my other ring finger. So obviously this one is a no because it's for my engagement ring and soon to be wedding band. I did decide to get this one and the larger one for my right hand ring finger. But yeah, a part of me was kind of toying with the idea of getting a larger size so that it can fit my middle finger and my index finger, and then also be able to wear it on this hand. But yeah, I kind of just like how it looks on my right hand, and it adds that simple kind of glam that I am looking for. So I also know that I could get this piece engraved since this is a special gift, but yeah, I don't plan on getting this piece engraved just because I don't know, I just don't want to. But yeah, if you wanted to add a personal touch to it, you could get the inside engraved with a short little message inside. So yeah, this is my very first Cartier piece and I absolutely love it. I was toying with the idea of getting the love bracelet, but right now is just not the right time. Maybe later down the line I will go ahead and venture off into more fine jewelry. But yeah, I mean, this is already a lovely piece to go ahead and get my collection started. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this special unboxing and I will see you in the next video. Bye!